Okay, this is documentation of a new feature for the biofluorometer software. This is going to be version 2.5. This enhancement pertains to the setting of the maximum current allowable for a LED module. To be able to specify individually the maximum current for each module for different populations of different kinds of modules, we have added a feature to be able to do this on a module by module basis. This is a parameter that gets saved. So on subsequent power-ups, the parameter will be preserved. The way the parameters is entered, when we go to module configuration mode, and as long as we are working on the current setting, hitting the up and down buttons at the same time will put you into maximum current setting. Then the up and down will be used to set what is the maximum allowable current for that module. So in this case, module 0, if we set it for 45 milliamps, that would be the maximum allowable current. You can get out of the maximum current setting mode by hitting up and down again, or if you're on the mode and you change parameter by hitting the setup button, and we go to, for instance, change the delay, that turns off that mode, so we're back to regular operating mode. This is to avoid changing accidentally the current. Once you hit up and down again and you're in the maximum current setting mode, changing modules will show you the maximum current on each module, and that can be changed individually. The default number is 20. So on the first power up, the units are going to come up as 20, but once they're changed, that parameter is saved. So in this case, we'll change it to 50 by pushing the up button. We'll hit the display, which saves the parameters as usual. So now if we go again into the module setting, that's the max current. If we get out of that mode, we can set the current up, but it's going to max out at 50 as it would set. Okay, and this is the actual current, not the maximum allowable, but this is the actual current value that we're applying to the module as usual in the regular operating mode. We exit that. So now if we turn off the unit, turn it back on, it's gonna display version 2.5 code version. We go to module setup again. That was the current that was set. We go to the maximum and it's 50 milliamps, so it kept the value. If we go to the other modules, they're gonna be sitting at the default number, which is 20. So that concludes specification of this added feature.